Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, your boy JC. I am Jason Collins, the HMFIC of Bluegrass iRacing Series and owner of Bluegrass Media Promotions LLC. We are currently in our recruiting phase for our upcoming 6th season overall of racing. We race 3 divisions based on skill levels. Let me tell you a little more about it. On Monday nights, we have our truck series. It's a beginner-friendly series, and you must have a max I rating of 2,000 or less, and you must have a minimum safety rating of C. That is a C safety license. Practice for our truck series opens at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Qualifying is at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and races approximately 9:10. It's $25 per season for the trucks, Xfinity, and Cup series. And it's also $10 per race. With that being said, there are weekly payouts where you can win as much as $100 from a full field all the way down to $35 to approximately $40 for a minimum field. It pays $500 to win the championship as well as other prizes, trophies, and more. It also pays out the podium weekly with other awards for non-podium drivers. Overall finishes for 2nd through 5th. 2nd is $250, 3rd is $125, 4th is $75, and 5th is $50. That is the overall championship prizes. Tuesday night, we have our Xfinity series. It is more of an intermediate series with an I rating cap of 3,000, but it also has the C license minimum for safety. Same as trucks, practice opens at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. Qualifying is at 9 p.m. Eastern, and the race approximately 9:10 Eastern. $25 for the season charter as well, $10 per race. Same payout, $500 for the champion. And last but not least, we have our Wednesday night Cup series. This is where the big boys come out to play and they don't mess around. This series has a maximum I rating of 5,000 with a C safety license required at minimum. Same as trucks and Xfinity. Practice opens at 7 p.m. and this is on Wednesday nights. Qualifying is at 9 Eastern and race approximately 9:10 Eastern. It also has a $25 season charter fee, but it pays $1,000 to win the overall championship. It also has the $10 per race, and 2nd through 5th pay the same as trucks and Xfinity. We do give away a Butt Kicker Gamer 2 Plus Unit 2 members that do not make the playoffs, but continue to run 75% of the season. Bluegrass is an established, well-liked, and respected organization. Not only would you be joining a racing league where you can enjoy the comfort of your own home, but you can also earn some cool prizes, including money while doing it. So what are you waiting for? We start our 6th season November 28th for trucks, November 29th for Xfinity, and November 30th for Cup. Join us in Discord by going to discord.gg/Bluegrass iRacing, or look us up on social media under Bluegrass iRacing Series and send us a message about how to become part of something special every week. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much.